Hey, grade 10. So we're going to talk about Tony F transformations of functions. So we're going to come back to this. You should discover that blah, 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 because I want you guys to discover it on your own. So I will discuss 11A, example 11A. Don't cheat on your textbook or anything, but I want you guys to do B, C, and D. And we'll come back to it in class, okay? So what you're gonna do is this. So they say consider f of x as 1/2 x plus 1, and then you're going to graph it, and then we'll do a transformation here. Okay, so f of x equals to 1/2 x plus 1. I'm just going to start with 0, 1. That's my y-intercept. And I'm going to use my slope 1, 1, 2. That is 2, 2. Again, like 1, 1, 2. And we're going to continue like 1, 2, 1. So you only need 2 points actually to make a line, but I just wanted to have a very accurate graph here. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1. Okay. We're gonna draw a line through this. Perfect. So yeah, I'll just leave it at that. Then 2, 1 right here. Oops. Okay, so we can erase this one. Alright, so that is our line. F of x equals to 1/2 x plus 1. So I know that they told me to do it on a different graph, but I wanted to show you guys. So what we're gonna do now, they say draw f of x plus 2. Okay, so what they mean by that is that so now we have f of x plus 2. So that means we need to replace x with x plus 2. And then you just add 1, right? Okay, so how do we do that? So you have a few options. You can just plug in a random x. I would like to plug in 0 because that gives me my y-intercept. So f of 0 plus 2 is 2. 1/2, 2 plus 2 plus 1. That gives me f of 2 now. So this is 1/2 and 4 plus 1. This is 2 plus 1. That's 3. So f of 0 plus 2 is 3. So my point that I get from that, okay, is 0, 3, right? Because my x was 0, my f of x plus 2 is 3. So 0, 3. So this is my new point. Okay. Okay, I'm going to have another point. Let's say, okay, I'll just plug in 5 here. So f of 5 plus 2. So I'm still doing f of x plus 2 here, right? Equals to 1/2, 5 plus 2 plus 1. This is 7 divided by 2 plus 1. That's 9 over 2. Okay, so that would be 5 and then 9 over 2. 5, 9 over 2 is 4.5, right? So it's right here. Okay. I don't like decimal because I need to show you guys something. Let's do 4. Sorry about that. So f of x plus 2. And let's say x is 4. So that's 6 over 2, 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4 comma 4, right? So that's my point. 4 comma 4. So my other point. So I'm just going to connect these. Oops, wrong one. And then I want you guys to tell me something. Okay, so what is the shift here? It looks like I just added 1 to the y-intercept, but what's actually happening to the points? Okay, if we zoom in here, do you see how from this point to this point, we went to the left, right? 2 units. So 2 units to the left. So does this point. So from here to here, 1, 2, 2 units to the left. So what do you guys think? What would be the transformation here? What is the pattern? If you say that if we transform from f of x to f of x plus 2, this gives us shifts the graph 2 units to the left, you're right. So to the left, that means the x decreases, right? So this would be the transformation here. You would add minus k. In other words, you just subtract x by k, and then you don't do anything to the y. As you guys can see, like it stays the same, right? The y stays the same. It's just the x that moves. That's it. So I want you guys to discover it by yourself for B and C, B, C, and D. So it happens to your graph. And I'll talk to you guys in class. Bye, guys.